Hapago Car Tire Pressure Monitor Valve Stem Caps. Sold by ANKIA. Introducing the ANKI Hapago Tire Pressure Monitor Valve Stem Caps, a must-have for every vehicle owner. Crafted from durable chromed metal and PC, these caps are designed for longevity. Compact in size, each cap measures 1 cm by 2.5 cm, ensuring a perfect fit for your tires. These innovative caps visually alert you when tire pressure drops, preventing premature wear or blowouts. Enhance fuel efficiency, safety, and control while extending tire life with these simple yet effective accessories. Featuring a color-coded system, it's easy to monitor your tire pressure at a glance. Green indicates normal pressure, yellow signals a 10% drop, and red warns of a 25% reduction. Designed for tires with a standard pressure of 32 psi, 2.2 bar, suitable for cars, motorcycles, and bicycles. Remember to keep the black washers safe when removing a cap to avoid losing this tiny but crucial part. Each package contains 8 tire pressure indicator valve stem caps, offering great value. A friendly reminder: remove the caps before an automatic car wash for the best care. Elevate your driving experience with ANKI Hapago's Tire Pressure Monitor Valve Stem Caps, where safety meets convenience. Rated 4.2 stars. Order today for $12.45. Link in description. Subscribe now.